Shari? What's wrong?
Wala po, madam. May nangyari lang po sa photoshoot.
Does it have something to do with Velma? Don't worry. I have the perfect remedy for a woman's tears. Tita, sumama ka sa akin.
I'm going back to Seoul now. I have to fix the mess I left there. Noreen, thank you so much. You have been there for me when I needed it the most.
Alam ko kung anong nararamdaman mo. Paano mo nasabing naiintindihan mo yung nararamdaman ko? Ha? Paano mo nasabi? Dahil nawalan din ako ng kapatid sa parehong paraan. Ang ate Helena ko.
This is getting too emotional. Let's celebrate life and make the most out of it, shall we?
I have to be honest. This is terrifying.
Huwag kang mag-alala, Tara. Nandito kaming lahat para sa'yo.
Thank you, Noreen.
This is just temporary. Malilinis din natin ang pangalan mo. May naisip ako.
You didn't give up on me. And for that, I'm very grateful.
For someone who knows what you're going through, I couldn't let you face that all alone.
Salamat. You have been very accommodating, especially understanding about my situation.
BFF! You know, I will miss you. I think I found a friend in you. You're my BFF!
Close kayo, te.
Huwag kang makilam dyan. Pasabungin kong bunganga mo.
Pasensya ka sa kaibigan ko, ha?
Ano ka ba? Okay lang. Ang bait ka ng pamilya mo eh. Masaya ako nakilala ko sila. Call me when you're in Korea, okay? And good luck on your plans. I hope you find everything you are looking for. But also, you have to take care of yourself, okay? I don't want you to get hurt in any way. Just call me and let me know if you need my help, okay?
I will, Tara. Thank you. Appreciate it.
I'll miss you.
BFF! I will miss you. Take care of it. Say hi to Tita for me.
Salamat.
Ang bango niya!
Madam Clara, thank you so much for this. Grabe naman po yung pag-spoil niyo sa akin. I feel like I don't deserve it.
But it feels good, right? Like they say, the best therapy is retail therapy.
I agree po. Parang iba po talaga yung pakiramdam ng snake skin, ng cowhide, or crocodile leather bags. Parang, it's like they're giving us power. And yung lakas nila, parang na-absorb po natin. I know it sounds super superficial. But, yun po yung nararamdaman ko. Kasi, alam niyo naman po, diba? Lumaki po ako nang walang-wala. So,
That's why you dreamt of entering this business. At I'm just wondering, bakit sa beauty industry?
Lumaki po kasi ako na ang baba po ng tingin ko sa sarili ko. Feel like I wasn't worthy of anything. I was an outcast. Parang pakiramdam ko, hindi ako belong sa society na kinalakihan ko. Kahit po sa sarili kong pamilya. Resulta po kasi ako ng
Resulta ng
Pasalamat ka nga, binuhay kita eh. Kahit galing ka sa kademonyo na ginawa sa akin. Ito naman gusto mo, di ba? Ito lang, di ba?
Uy! Ate! Ate!
pagkarip po ng mama ko.
Sino yan? It was you. You conceptualized the whole idea of that campaign ad.
Tama ba yung narinig ko? That you're proposing to promote Shari as COO of Velma Beauty?
Shari will be perfect for that position. Bakit ka kumukontra? She will be your successor to your throne.
Buhay pa ako. No, I will not step down.
Okay lang ba na maiwan ka muna dito, Miss Grace?
Oo, sige. Ako nang bahala kay Aling Eva.
Ay, salamat.
Pulis pala tong gardo na to.
Magtanong ka muna bago ka maghalongkat ng mga gamit nila dito, ah.
Alam ko pong threaten kayo kay Shari. But come on, you are Velma Imperial. The true queen of Velma Beauty.